maintenance shutdown, following
Pollution.
maintenance shutdown of the power plant that goes to the simultaneous brownout, ano, sir?
We are not accusing anyone of collusion. But what we are saying, the environment permitted collusion. No? Dahil nga manipis ang reserves at ang merkado ay madaling i-manipulate pag manipis ang reserves, the environment for collusion is there. So dapat ang gobyerno alisto, no? DOE, PCC at even the Senate and Congress should be vigilant, no? Dahil maraming pwedeng mag-take advantage nitong situation na ito dahil manipis nga yung reserba natin. And that goes to many of the commodities, no? Sabi ko nga kanina, yung presyo ng bigas, remember 2018 nung konti yung supply ng bigas, may mga nag-hoard, tumaas yung presyo. No, ganun rin sa kuryente, kung konti ang reserba, mabilis i-manipulate yung market. Kaya dapat maging alisto. At bukas, pag-uusapan natin yan, we will hear from the Philippine Competition Commission kung ano yung kanilang findings. And I really commend the PCC dahil mabilis silang gumalaw. No? Tinignan nila kaagad yung mga records, tinignan yung mga pricing, at they will share with us tomorrow kung anong findings nila.
Ito na lang, sir. You spell something special na lang on the incident.
I will not venture into that. No? Masyadong speculative yan. But what I'm saying is, pwede mangyari yan. Given that we have very thin reserves.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sino sila papatawag mo, sir?